Okay, I just finished reading volume 5 of Chainsaw Man, and man, this girl, it it gets pretty spicy up here at the end. Damn, which one would you choose, Makima or Reze? But also, what the fuck is going on here? Why is she talking in Russian? Is Reze, I'm not sure how you pronounce her name, Russian. And this ending, though, sorry for the spoilers, but this ending, what? Anyway, and then there is this bonus part with Aki and Himeno. Then, so, volume 5 done. Wait, how do I just, can I just pause the video so I can, I don't like this new phone that much. I do not like the new phone that much. Anyway, time to put it back to the collection. And I'm gonna soon get to volume 6, but I have a feeling I'm gonna get it gifted as Secret Santa, because my dear colleague Maria asked me if I got volume 6 yet, because I always tell her when I get a new volume, and I told her that I didn't get a volume 6 yet, so